Welcome back guys to my channel OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing free traffic method you could use to get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers. And if you do stick onto the video, you can actually go by the step-by-step guide on how you could do just that right now. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing and other AI tools. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there. Also guys, make sure you go on to smashing the like button to the video, you subscribe to the channel, and you ensure the notification bell is always turned on all so that you get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. Now you may be familiar with some cool CPA marketing platforms like CPAGrip right here, but the platform which we should be leveraging today right now is a very cool platform that you can get both CPA and affiliate marketing offers from, and that platform is called Offer Vault. This is an amazing CPA marketing platform or an amazing offers platform where you could get both CPA marketing offers, affiliate marketing offers, and other kinds of offers on this platform. And such offers right there are not just offers from a single platform, it combines offers from multiple platforms and lists them on their platform right there. That's why it is quite cool right now, because you'll be able to see a variety of options of offers to go on to selecting from and utilize that to make some cool cash online. You can actually come right here and filter by networks. As you can see, there are actually different networks you can actually utilize right now, but what I'm going to do right now is to filter by actually selecting a kind of offer which I want to promote right here. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom and actually going to selecting the sweepstakes right here. If I do that right now, as you can see right now, once sweepstakes have been selected, you want to also make sure you're going to selecting a country. I selected the United States right now, and once that has been selected, you can see right now that my offers will be filtered to actually fitting into that category. You can see all the countries right here that are actually available for such offers on this platform are actually for people in the United States. Right here you'll be able to see the CPA network that this offer is available to, or the affiliate marketing network also the offer is available to right now. You can see right here for this offer, all you actually need to do is to direct someone to actually submit their email address, and you do get paid $25 right now for this particular strategy. All you need to do is to go into selecting a very cool sweepstake offer right now. That is actually a kind of giveaway offer right there. And if I do select this one right now, you'll be able to see more details to the offer. That the offer name is actually the Shane $500 gift card V4, and this is actually having a payout of $12.6 right here per lead which you actually get to this offer. You can also go on to previewing the landing page. You can see right here that the category is actually a sweepstake gift card. The location is Ola Vivo, and that's actually the location right here. You can see the last updated, which was actually today, or yesterday date right now. So you could also see the country these offers are available to right now. So all you need to do is to click on run right here, and if you do click on run, it's actually going to take you to that particular CPA marketing platform or affiliate marketing platform where that offer is available to. You can actually go on to registering for the platform and getting the link to that CPA marketing offers. You could also see more details about the offer right here in this particular section. So all you need to do is to just simply take out your time, select a very cool and sweet offer which you want to promote right now. You could also utilize platforms like systeme.io to create landing pages for offers that does not have a very cool landing page right now. And you could just simply head on to my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and go on to typing in landing page. If I come right here and type in landing page right now and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you that could help you create simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to create landing pages with Systeme, and you can see for Google sites and other platforms like breezy.io and so on and so forth. You may also want to utilize other platforms like CPAGrip, CPA Lead, and other CPA marketing platforms to grab hold of CPA offers to promote. Supposing I log into my account and I'm actually going to focus on the United States demographic only, I'm just going to scroll through and select a very cool sweepstake offer also. This is an example of a very cool and amazing sweepstake offer that actually give out $2,500 in cash income right there for lucky winners right there. If you actually do keep on scrolling through and you go into selecting a cool and better offer such as this right now that can enable you to go into scoring $10,000 right now, and this offer is actually quite amazing because it's a desktop offer, an email and zip submit offer, and the payout to the offer is about $2.22. All this actually means is that your leads need to come from the United States to submit their desktop, or to use a desktop. You need to use a desktop device to submit their email address or zip code, and you do get paid $2.22 once they actually use this unique affiliate link to do such that. So what you want to do right now is to copy the link. You may want to create a simple landing page like I showed you right there earlier, that you can get some videos from my channel to create simple landing pages. And to promote this for absolutely free, you want to utilize this platform called throughsweepstakes.com. And with this platform, guys, you can actually go on to getting targeted traffic to your CPA offers, as you can focus on any demographic of your choice like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and other countries worldwide. So basically focus on one of the top tier countries. As you can see right now, as you can see, these are all cool sweepstake offers that are being given out to people right now. So all you need to do is to come onto this particular section. You can see this section that says join. Click on that. It's going to bring you right here to this page where you want to just simply provide your basic details like your username, your email address, the password which you want to use, and complete the captcha before creating an account on this platform. So once you do that right there, you could create an account, log into your account, go on to selecting cool sweepstakes which you could utilize right now, and you want to just simply see that there are about 239 active sweepstakes right here on this platform. So you can actually join yours by clicking on submit right now. So if you want to add your CPA marketing offers among the sweepstakes, click on submit. Come right here to this page where you want to just simply go on to inserting the sweepstake title. Supposing I want to use this offer right here, I'm just going to copy the title to the offer. If I copy the title to the offer, head back to that particular section, I'm going to paste that in this section right now. For this particular section that says link to entry form, you want to just simply go on to inserting the link to your landing page which you created that is also linked to your CPA marketing offer. Right here in this section, you want to put in a price value for that. You could actually select a category. See, there are actually lots of category right now depending on what the sweepstake offer is all about right there. Select a very cool category right now. You could also see an end date. You could select an end date. You could actually select the United States to be eligible for this offer. You could go on to inserting an age limit, maybe 18 plus and above. You could select the entry method right now. There are actually some cool entry methods right here, such as sign up form and other kinds of forms right now. You could also see the entry limit right here, and also the company name and the price description. Once you actually do all this right now and actually go on to submitting your sweepstake right here on this particular platform, you can use that to get a lot of cool and amazing traffic to your CPA marketing offer. Because once people come onto this platform, they're actually going to go on to checking out for sweepstakes which they can complete, and if they do complete your sweepstake offer, they stand a chance of winning that particular amount, and you also you also go on to earning the affiliate commission assigned to that particular offer, which is about $2.22 per person that does this. So this is a cool strategy I advise you take advantage of right now. And if the video did add some value to you, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.